Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class. So this time I will go over system of equation like 2-1 review, okay? And this is the homework portion. So as you know, it's very easy, but for you I will go over it step by step. So first question, I will go over it really quickly, okay? So first step, we have these two systems aligned here, and if you want, we are going to solve it by elimination. And to eliminate, you have to match up 2 with 5 here, like first number. But apparently 2 cannot go into 5. So what we are going to do is, I will flip multiply, which means this 2, I will multiply by 5 here. And this 5, I will multiply by 2. And to eliminate, these two should be different sign, and they are same sign here, so I'm gonna to make it different, I will multiply by negative here. It does not matter whether you put negative on the top or bottom. Alright, so let's do this. Negative 2 times 5x, you get negative 10x. Negative 2 times 12, you get negative 24y equals negative 2 times negative 34, you get positive 68. Now let's do the second one. 5 times 2x, you get 10x. 5 times 4y, you get plus 20y equals 5 times negative 12, you get negative 60. Here we go. Let's eliminate them. So we always add them together. That's what we call combine. Negative 10 plus 10, these two disappear. So we just eliminated x. And negative 24y plus 20y, we get negative 4y equals 68 minus 60, we have 8. And here, if we divide by negative 4 both sides to solve for y, so this, do you see this negative 4 disappears? So we have y left over on the left equals 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we solved for y for now. And now, because it is system, we also have to solve for x, because your solution is going to be x comma y. So we got to solve for x. So what we have to do is, we are going to choose one of these two equations. It does not matter which one you choose. You just choose something that looks nice. So I will choose the bottom one. It does not really matter which one you choose. So I will write this one down here. Let me copy this one down. And here, to solve for x, what you're gonna do is, you are gonna substitute this y with what you got here. So here we go. So I will copy down to x plus 4. But instead of y, I will substitute 2. Do you see this too? I substituted. And you just solve for it. 2x, 4 times 2, you get 8 equals negative 12. And to solve it, you're gonna do minus 8 both sides. So that disappears. You get 2x equals negative 12 minus 8 is negative 20. And if you divide by 2 both sides, you'll get x equals negative 10. So your solution to the system is gonna be negative 10 comma 2. So it's very easy like that. So usually you will have solution like this for here and here as well. But we have something special as well. So let's do this one. Now, again, you want to match this one up, but a 2 goes into 14. Okay? If you multiply by 7. Alright? Because 7 times 2 becomes 14. So I don't have to multiply anything on the top. But I want them to have a different sign, so I'm going to multiply by negative. Okay? So that's a different from here. This one, 2 does not go into 5, so I flipped multiply. But here, 2 goes into 14. If you multiply by 7, so I only multiply by 7 in the bottom. Top, I don't have to do anything. So because I don't have to do anything on the top, I will just copy this one down in the bottom. 14x plus 7y equals negative 7. I just copied this one down. Negative 7 times 2x, you get negative 14x. Negative 7 times y, you get negative 7y equals negative 7 times negative 1, you get positive 7. So if you do this, 14x minus 14x disappears, and 7y minus 7y disappears as well. So on your left, from this equal sign, you get 0 on your left, equals negative 7 plus 7 is also equal to 0. How dramatic. So 0 equals 0. That's mathematically true, because 0 is simply just equal to 0. So this one, we call it infinite solution. If you have some other number, like 0 equals 2 or stuff like that, then that's false. In that case, we call it no solution. Okay? So here you go. We got these two questions done. So I will quickly go over this. I will not go over this two. I will just show you how to do it. So if you look at this one, same thing. If you look at this, well, there's a hidden number 1 here. And 1 goes into 3 if you multiply by 3, right? So this question is going to be simple. You just multiply by 3. So you get 3x. 3 times negative y is negative 3y. And 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Very simple. In the bottom, we don't have to do anything. So you just copy this one down. And same thing. You just solve it. Okay? Oh, my mistake. You got to put negative because these two are same sign, right? So this one should be negative, this one should be positive, this one should be negative. That's my mistake. I'm sorry. So these two will disappear. So 3y plus y will give you 4y equals negative 30 plus 18 will give you negative 12. And you solve for y. So y, you should get negative 3. And if you do everything, you're going to get x plus 3 equals 10. Don't try to follow me because I'm skipping multiple steps. I'm just giving you the answer. So if you get 7 comma negative 3, you should be correct, okay? But don't trust me too much because I just skipped like 5 steps ahead, okay? So this is the last question that I will go over. So look at this 10 and negative 2. Luckily, we don't have a same sign. So it's simple. First, does 2 goes into 10? Yes, if you multiply by 5, because 5 times 2 is 10. And do I have to multiply by negative? Not in this case, because do you see they don't have a same sign? So you don't have to. Look at this. Top equation, I don't have to do anything, so I will just copy this one down. So I just copied this one down here. And second, 5 times negative 2, you get negative 10x. 5 times 3y plus 15y. 5 times 6, you get 30. Do you see this? Even if you didn't do anything else, you can cancel these two out. And then you get this beautifully, right? So, as you can see, this works. So that's about it. I will not go over these two questions because I believe you can do it by yourself. If you have any question, just let me know. See you guys. Bye.